Hi everyone, today I will tell you about 5 apps that will run with root and without root, and some apps will run via ADB and with Shizuku and without Shizuku. I will run Shizuku via ADB-SH module, and after installing that apps, you can control your apps and apps management, root and non-root privilege, flashing plugin modules, apps modification, backup data, system management, stop running background apps management, delete unwanted bloatware, bypass or disable verification signature, upgrade and downgrade apps without any error, and you can increase device performance with that apps. So without waste your time, let's do it. First, I will run Shizuku with wireless debugging Wi-Fi, and after running Shizuku, I will run Shizuku via ADB shell module without OTG USB. After Shizuku, I will access run as shell app via Shizuku and run Shizuku again via ADB-SH module. Now I will install 5 Apps Manager, and that Apps Manager will run via Shizuku without Shizuku, via root and without root, via ADB and without ADB. So please don't skip any part of this video. You should watch full video. These are different apps and with different features, but if you want to about more features that I will create a delicate video for you. You can run these apps manager without ADB and without root. But if you want to more features like delete bloatware, system management, and some modification, then you should run this via ADB or Shizuku. Guys, if you want 2 more features like these apps, then I will upload a video tutorial for you soon. You can freeze or stop background running apps like that Apps Manager. Now I will install and run the last App Manager, and that App Manager will run via ADB shell or wireless debugging Wi-Fi. After running, that I will flash some plugin modules in this app. I have already uploaded the video of this App Manager and provided some plugin modules, but now I will test some new modules. These apps are paid by developer, but I will upload new tutorial about these soon. Please, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.